Hello, my name is Matthew Jones. I'm an application engineer from Stratasys. Today we're going to be introducing the J35 and comparing that to the older system, the desktop machine, and what you need to be able to make that jump between the two systems. The J35 is an office-friendly system with a very small footprint but a large build volume. You're allowed to print multiple materials, 3 at one go, which gives you a diverse range of applications. So you're using transparent, opaque materials, rubber-like materials, and we can simulate different shore hardnesses and full monochrome effect as well with different grayscales with a draft grey. A new user interface with a touch screen embedded into the machine. You can also drop print files directly onto the machine using a USB stick. The new touchscreen user interface allows you to see a queue of jobs on the machine, to review what materials are loaded and how much material is left in the cartridge. The Tools tab allows you to use the wizards to simplify the running and the cleaning of the machine. Using a LED lamp compared to the old filament gives us longer running times, less calibration, which ultimately means lower running costs. Here are the top 5 reasons why you should make the J35 system your next 3D printer. From concept models to fit, form and functional parts, the offering on the J35 allows you to enable multiple applications. The material offering on this system will allow you to cover draft concepts, simulated rubber or overmolding. The digital ABS material will give you high strength and high temperature resistance. We also have an option of biocompatibility, and the new ultra clear material simulates PMMA-like properties. Using the VRML file format or bump map surfaces, you can apply textures and graphics logos on a part. This offering gives you a range of new capabilities previously not had in the office environment. To further simplify the offering, we've introduced the GrabCAD print software. Compared to the old version, it's much more simplified, ease of use. You can bring in native CAD, apply different grayscale effects to the models, select elastomeric materials or choose clear materials, black, white, whatever you want on the actual CAD that you're using. For post-processing, the J35 comes with water-soluble supports, which means ease of use has simplified again. You can take a simple model, drop it into a tub of water, tap water, leave it to dissolve, and you're left with a nice clean part that's usable. Enjoy improved throughput by a factor of 3 when comparing it to your old desktop system. The J35 Pro system uses a unique process of a radial polar system where the build platform rotates and spins round whilst jetting simultaneously. Comparing this to our older Cartesian system on the desktop on our J series, you get higher speed and higher throughput from this machine. When using the radial system, we no longer have to wait for the acceleration and deacceleration of the head, again giving you a higher throughput and speed. 70% higher throughput compared to the Object 24/30 Pro and Prime. 20% higher than the Eden and Connex machines. Improve your cost per part with the Vero grey material. Improve the time it takes to get that model in your hands using the Vero draft grey mode. By choosing the J35 Pro system, you are taking the next steps into the future.